Click cell E4. You want to look up the bonus percentage this employee qualifies for based on his performance rating in cell C4 and the bonus percentages shown in the bonus lookup table below. At the left of the formula bar, click the Insert Function button. The Insert Function dialog box opens. You will navigate to the HLOOKUP function here. The category list displays. Click Lookup and Reference. The Lookup and Reference function list displays. In the Select a Function box, double-click HLOOKUP. The Function Arguments dialog box opens. In the Lookup Value text box, you will enter the cell that contains the performance rating for which you want to look up the associated bonus percentage. Click cell C4. Press Tab. You will now enter the location of the lookup table. Click and drag to select range B13 through F14. Press Tab. You will now enter the lookup table row number that contains the bonus percentages. Type 2. Click OK. Excel looks up the bonus percentage associated with the performance rating in cell C4, which is 7.5%, and returns the result to cell E4.